In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks on deal stages in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. We're going to set up a workflow trigger so HubSpot can automatically create or schedule tasks when the right deal activity happens. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in with permissions to view automation and edit workflows. It also helps to decide whether you're working in a deal-based workflow, since that's where stage-related automations usually live. From your HubSpot home screen, head to Automation, then open the Automation Overview. This is your command center for building repeatable processes. Next, click into Workflows. If you don't already have a workflow for your pipeline, you can create a new one. Otherwise, open an existing workflow where you want to attach task automation. When creating a new workflow, choose the object type that matches your process, typically a deal-based workflow for stage-driven work, and give it a clear name so your team can recognize its purpose later. Inside the workflow editor, locate the enrollment section. If it currently says manually triggered only, that means no records enter the workflow unless you manually enroll them. We'll change that so HubSpot enrolls records automatically based on activity. Click that setting, then choose when an event occurs. Event-based enrollment is powerful because it lets your workflow react immediately to key signals, which is ideal for aligning tasks to deal movement. From the list of events, select Call Started. This event is great when you want follow-up tasks to appear right as conversations begin, keeping reps focused and consistent. After picking the event, click Add Criteria to narrow down which calls should trigger enrollment. Choose Activity Date. Then set the date logic that fits your process, such as only calls after a specific start date or within a rolling window. This prevents old activities from flooding your workflow and keeps reporting clean. When you're choosing dates, keep your portal's time zone in mind so enrollments happen when you expect. Once your criteria look right, click Save. You've now defined an automatic enrollment trigger based on a call starting, filtered by the activity date you specified. From here, your workflow is ready to power task automation that aligns with your deal stages, whether that's creating follow-up tasks, setting due dates, or assigning owners based on the same trigger you just configured. If you're testing, try initiating a sample call on a test deal to confirm the trigger behaves as intended. And don't forget to document the logic so teammates understand when and why tasks are created. That's it. Your event-based enrollment is set, and you're ready to build reliable, stage-aware task automation in HubSpot.